So this is zone 3, and I do have a leak right there. I've got to fix that. I'm going to have to dig that up and fix it. So we're going to have to dig that bad boy up. Got my shovel. I'm just going to get in there. You got to go about 6 inches because they're about 4 inches long. And there's a lot of roots on this. So we got to dig her out. Just going to go all the way around it. Just like that. And this is much softer than going through those other ones that I did. All right, so we're getting the stuff out of there. Just got to go a couple more inches down. There's a lot of roots, so it's a pain in the butt. That's the sprinkler right there. You can't see, it's got mud all over it. All right, now we can see it a little bit better. It's definitely squirting out of the top of there, and we got to fix that. So I've got to get the smaller spade, and you can see it's still leaking. And I got to dig down about, I don't know, about another 2 inches down. So we've got to let this water recede before I can do that. All right, so I'm almost at the bottom, but you can see, look at all the roots in here. And I don't even know, maybe I should just plug this one up. But I definitely want to have something here so I know where it's at in case it leaks. But I've got to cut all these roots out to get to the bottom. It's a nightmare. So I dug through this. I got to the bottom, and I can see where I need to unscrew it and get a new one. But I got to get all these roots out. So I'm just going to clip them with the clippers. My pruning shears, and so I'm just going to cut every single one of these freaking things, because they are screwing up my whole system with this, and they'll probably grow back, and be a problem later. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to cut them all off. Try to dig them out. You see that? So I'm going to get them all cut out of there. All right, so there we are. Now I just got to unscrew this. And righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? So we're just going to go ahead and get this one off of here. And now I just got to go get another one. Another trip to Home Depot. All right, so here's the new sprinkler head. All I've got to do now is just get it on there, on that base, and screw it down righty-tighty. Make sure it's nice and tight on there, and then we'll go back and we'll check it and see how it's working. All right, let's do it. All right, that's that. Now I'm not going to bury it right now because we got to check it and make sure it's working good. I did want to cap it off with this. I might still do that if I don't need this sprinkler back here. But for right now, we'll just let this one be in there and we'll check it and see if it's working. I think that was zone 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Maybe it was 3. Let's go look. Now the question is this one leaking? I don't know. We'll find out. All right. Looks like it's working. I don't see that big giant leak spurting out of it there. So I think we're going to be good with this. Let's just take a look. Yeah. I mean, all I got to do now is just bury it up and we're ready to go. And now we just got to turn it off. So I just got to go through all these sets. There's 5. There's 6, and we should be back to Friday. Bam, done. Put the lid back on, and Bob's your uncle.